Welcome to Indian Tourist. Today we are watching ISKCON temple situated in Rajahmundry. ISKCON Rajahmundry temple is built in 2 acres of land situated on the bank of sacred river Godavari. This place has got significance because many rishis performed their tapasya. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu met his disciple Sri Ramanandaraya, the governor of Chennai province, under the devotee king Purushottam Maharaj. The famous conversation among the Lord Sri Chaitanya and Ramanandaraya took place on Godavari bank, and now this place is known as Ramanandaraya Gaudika Mata. Around the ISKCON temple there are 10 mandapas of Lord's 10 incarnations. It is built uniquely and it is the third largest temple after Bangalore and Tirupati in South India among ISKCON temples. There is Vedic exhibition in cellar of the temple complex depicting Lord Krishna, Lord Rama and Chaitanya Leelas, which is attracts students, devotees and visiting public. The temple is visited daily by 1000 to 1500 devotees and on Sundays 6000 to 8000 devotees and on Janmashtami day 60,000 devotees. There is Govinda gift stall adjoining the temple hall. On upstairs there are 15 preaching glow signboards and another Govinda gift stall where the founder Acharya books and other devotional paraphernalia are available. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel youtube.com Indian Tourist.